Claude Code now has an official plugin called Superpowers. Now what we should see, because we installed it globally, is we should be able to do / and there you go, we've got the superpowers straight away. Now whenever you're starting off a brand new conversation or brand new execution with Claude Code, make sure to come down and say using superpowers. This just ensures or actually reminds Claude that you've got this skill available, and it's going to try and utilize it with the code that we develop or check and improve. So now what we'll be able to do is / and then superpowers. And first things first, we want to come down and do the brainstorm first of all. This is going to help us start off the process for really understanding what we want to achieve. So we're going to press enter. This is going to start going through and loading up the skill for us. So there we go. I've just typed my prompt in there and it's absolutely awful. It's incredibly vague. It's got lots of different areas for interpretation. But what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we're sending this off to the agent. And this is why Superpowers is becoming like that coding assistant that we really want to help us step through, but really think about everything that sits behind how this application is going to work so that we get the code base right first time. Again, it's coming back and asking us all of these questions that we need. So there we go. It's now come back with the data model that we're going to have behind it as well. If we now see, it's now asking us about the UI design and the layout. So now it's asking if we're ready for implementation. So this is where we're going to stop and do another action. We're going to say / we're going to do super and then powers. And now we're going to come down to actually writing a great implementation plan. So we're going to enter this in here. Of course, the reason that we're doing this and not just telling it to go through and do the implementation plan straight away is because we got specific information within each of these skill files that help us get those better outputs. But as you can see here, we've now got the implementation plan. Now we're going to do / we'll do superpowers, and now we should be able to come down and execute that plan. Again, we're going to press enter to make sure it tells Claude what that specific skill is. So it's got that latest information. It should go through and read all of the context from the design plan that we've got and the implementation plan, which it looks like it's doing now. And then it should start going through and actually executing it for us.